Welcome to Science and Technology Briefing. The content of the briefing includes: startups chase fortune at Asian Games with robot dogs, cooking machines. Kickoff return, blocked punt sparked Texas Tech in 49-28 win over Houston. Underdog Bowling Green scores 38 unanswered points to overwhelm Georgia Tech, 38-27. The quest to harness the power of spider silk. Pro-NATO Progressive Party leads in Slovakia election, say exit polls. Startups chase fortune at Asian Games with robot dogs, cooking machines. South China Morning Post. Chinese tech firms have used the Asian Games in Hangzhou to showcase their latest gadgets and services, offering a glimpse into the country's technological ambitions. The event serves as an opportunity for local firms to support a key state project and promote their innovations to a mass market. Alibaba Cloud, for example, is the official information technology integrator and cloud service provider for the Games. Deep Robotics, a startup, has used the event to demonstrate the usefulness of its robot dogs, which have been inspecting underground electricity substations since April. Kickoff return, blocked punt sparked Texas Tech in 49-28 win over Houston. Associated Press. Texas Tech won against Houston in a 49-28 victory in the first Big 12 meeting of former Southwest Conference foes. Dre McCray returned a kickoff 100 yards for a touchdown. Loic Fuanji blocked a punt for one of his two scores and the Texas Tech defense controlled the second half. The Red Raiders, 2-3, 1-1 Big 12, won despite 335 yards passing and 4 first-half touchdowns from Houston's Donovan Smith. Underdog Bowling Green scores 38 unanswered points to overwhelm Georgia Tech, 38-27. Associated Press. Georgia Tech suffered a shocking 38-27 loss to Bowling Green. Georgia Tech was favored to win by 22.5 points and had a 14-0 lead in the beginning. Bowling Green, however, scored the next 38 points and held the ball for more than 42 minutes. Bowling Green's powerful running back Tryon Stewart ran for 138 yards and a touchdown while Connor Bazelak passed for 263 yards and a score. Georgia Tech was unable to maintain its dominant start and struggled throughout the game. The quest to harness the power of spider silk. The Guardian. Spider silk is a remarkable material that is stronger than steel and stretchier than rubber. Scientists have been trying to harness the potential of spider silk for centuries, and recent technological advances have brought us closer to realizing its full potential. In 1990, scientists sequenced the first spider silk gene, and by 1997, they were brewing artificial silk in the laboratory. In 2002, scientists announced that they had grown spider silk inside mammalian breast cells. However, spider silk weaving is still cost-prohibitive and spiders are not practical to keep in captivity, so scientists have shifted focus to culturing lab-grown artificial silk. Researchers have used genetically engineered E. coli bacteria and silkworms to produce silk proteins that can be processed into fibers. Despite some promising early trials, affordable silk textiles have not yet been produced. In 2019, a biotech company collaborated with the North Face to release the first commercially available spider silk clothes, but they were only available to a select few through a lottery. Spider silk bulletproof jackets have also not come to fruition, as the strength of silk is tied to its elasticity and it would not be effective in stopping a bullet. Instead, researchers are now looking at more delicate applications of artificial spider silk, such as scaffolding for skin grafts, hypoallergenic coatings for surgical implants, and organic coatings for perishable foods. While a fully realized application for spider silk may still be beyond our grasp, companies are investing heavily in making bioengineered medical spider silk a reality. Spider silk continues to inspire and captivate scientists and researchers, and its potential in revolutionizing medicine is the subject of much excitement and anticipation. Pro-NATO Progressive Party leads in Slovakia election, say exit polls. Financial Times. The Liberal Progressive Slovakia Party, led by Michael Semeka, has emerged as the front-runner in Slovakia's elections, according to exit polls. The party won 23.5% of the votes, narrowly ahead of former Prime Minister Robert Fico's Smer Party, which secured 21.9%. Fico, who has been critical of NATO-led support for Ukraine, had been the favorite to win. The results could complicate the formation of a government coalition, with the smaller parties also needing to meet the thresholds required to enter parliament. Final results are expected on Sunday. Serbia pulls some troops back from border after warning from US. The Guardian. Serbia has withdrawn some of its troops from the Kosovo border following warnings from the US, which threatened punitive measures against Serbia if it did not reduce its military presence. The US warning came after a week of high tension in the region, which began with an ambush by Serbian paramilitary forces on a Kosovan police patrol, resulting in the death of a police officer. The Serbian president, Aleksandar Vučić, announced the withdrawal, stating that military action would be counterproductive. However, a significant force remains based in the border area. Apple identifies issues causing overheating in the iPhone 15. Reuters. Apple has acknowledged that some new iPhones are running warmer than expected and has identified a bug in the iOS 17 software that is causing the issue. The company said that the devices may feel warmer in the first few days after setting up or restoring the device due to increased background activity. Additionally, recent updates to third-party apps, including Asphalt 9, Instagram, and Uber, are causing system overload. Apple is working with app developers on fixes that are being rolled out. The upcoming bug fix for iOS 17 will not reduce performance to address the temperature issue. Apple also stated that the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max do not suffer from overheating due to their design, which includes titanium shells that improve heat dissipation. The company assured users that the issue is not a safety or injury risk and will not impact the long-term performance of the phones. It's bears versus robot wolves in aging Japan. BBC. Authorities in Japan are using a mechanical wolf to deter bears from entering urban areas and attacking people. The robot, called the monster wolf, was originally designed to keep wild animals away from farms. The rise in bear attacks in Japan is attributed to the migration of people out of rural farming villages, leaving behind empty villages that bears have moved into. The bear population is also increasing at a time when Japan's human population is aging and shrinking. Experts are concerned that reduced yields of acorns, the main food source for bears, due to climate change, could further exacerbate the situation. Ladies and gentlemen, I am Dr. Six, your resident observer from the 6 Degrees world. Today, we have quite an interesting mix of news to discuss. From Chinese tech firms showcasing their latest gadgets at the Asian Games, to surprising victories in college football, and even the quest to harness the power of spider silk, there's something for everyone. So, let's dive in. First up, we have Chinese tech firms using the Asian Games as a platform to showcase their technological ambitions. It's like a tech fair meets a sports event. Alibaba Cloud is the official IT integrator and cloud service provider for the games, while startup Deep Robotics has been demonstrating their robot dogs. I can't help but wonder if these robot dogs will be able to fetch more than just sticks. In sports news, Texas Tech had a fantastic win against Houston, with some impressive plays on both offense and defense. Dre McRae returned a kickoff for a touchdown, and Loic Fuanji blocked a punt for a score. The Texas Tech defense also controlled the game in the second half. It seems like they had Houston's number, or should I say, their playbook. On the other hand, Georgia Tech suffered a shocking loss to Bowling Green. They had a strong start with a 14-0 lead, but Bowling Green scored 38 unanswered points to turn the tables. Talk about a comeback. It just goes to show that in sports, anything can happen. Sometimes, the underdog surprises us all, and it's not just in movies. Now, let's talk about spider silk. Did you know that spider silk is stronger than steel and stretchier than rubber? Scientists have been trying to harness its potential for centuries, and recent advancements have brought us closer to making it a reality. While we're not quite at the point of making bulletproof jackets, researchers are looking at more delicate applications like scaffolding for skin grafts and coatings for surgical implants. Who knows, maybe one day we'll all be wrapped in spider silk. In political news, the Progressive Slovakia Party has emerged as the front-runner in Slovakia's elections. They narrowly beat out former Prime Minister Robert Fico's party. These results could complicate the formation of a government coalition, but hey, that's politics for you. It's like a game of chess, but with more suits and ties. Moving on to international affairs, Serbia has withdrawn some troops from the Kosovo border following warnings from the US. It's a tense situation in the region, and everyone's on edge. Let's hope for a peaceful resolution because nobody wants to see more conflict. Finally, we have some news from Apple. It seems that some new iPhones are running warmer than expected due to a bug in the iOS 17 software. But don't worry, Apple is working on fixes and assures us that it's not a safety risk. So, keep calm and let your iPhone cool down. And last but not least, we have a unique solution to a unique problem in Japan. Authorities are using a mechanical wolf to deter bears from entering urban areas. It's like a real-life version of the Three Little Pigs, but instead of a straw house, they're using a robotic wolf. I guess it's bears versus robot wolves in Japan. Well, that wraps up today's news. What an interesting mix of stories we had. From tech innovations to surprising sports victories, and even the potential of spider silk, there's always something new happening in our world. I hope you've enjoyed our discussion, and now I'd love to hear from you. What are your thoughts on these news stories? Do you have any questions or opinions? Let's start a conversation, and remember, in the 6 degrees world, there's always more to discover. Thank you for joining me today, and until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the interconnectedness of our world. Thank you for tuning in. The content above showcases the latest briefing reports and analytical synopses, thoughtfully curated by the 6Do team. These insights stem from a wide array of reputable media outlets, think tanks, government sources, and specialized experts worldwide. We encourage you to explore these sources for a comprehensive perspective. Keep in mind that while the content may not always align with the official standpoint of 6Do Brief, it's not meant to be taken as absolute directives for decision-making. Comprising seasoned media professionals, learned scholars, and accomplished scientists, the 6Do team embodies a trailblazing, fully independent media entity. To customize 6Do Brief to meet your professional needs, you have the option to subscribe to a diverse array of briefings on our website, 6dobrief.com. Regardless of your location, you can conveniently receive 6Do Brief via email.